Sanay ako na pagkain ang niluluto sa apoy. Hindi tao. Kung sino man ang gumawa nito kay Coach, gusto niyang magdusa si Coach.
Papatayin ko siya!
Sino kaaway mo?
Yung hayop na coach na yan, pinupolitika ako. Hindi ako sinali sa lineup dahil ayoko uminom ng steroids.
Pinatake siya sa puso kapag nag-work. Yung barbell na kamot pinabitawan niya.
Steroids. Ang daon dahilan kung bakit siya natake sa puso.
I finally found our new chef. Meet Sugar Alvarez. Sugar Alvarez.
Nice to meet you, Coach.
Sugar, dalian mo. Anong sinabi niya?
Sabi, dali na.
Sino susunod?
Every influencer knows the value of a good reputation. This is how you gain trust. Ito ang magpaparami ng followers mo. Pero, oras na masira ang reputation mo, be ready to say goodbye to everything.
Okay? Sorry naman, what's happening? I don't know. Parang may sunog. Coach! Coach!
Tapos ka na ba? Pwede ka na ma-interview?
That was my fiancé. He just told me that I shouldn't be talking to you without a lawyer present.
Look, Miss, Baltazar, simple lang naman yung tanong ko eh. Gusto ko lang malaman kung ano yung nakita niyo.
Well, basically, we saw the same thing. Zach was on fire. What more do you want from me?
Your cooperation. Ayaw mo ba solve tong kaso? Hindi ka ba interesado malaman kung sino yung gumawa na sa kaibigan mo?
Stop bothering me.
Huwag kang assuming, hindi ikaw ang pinunta ko dito. Look, my brother. Hello. Hi, tita.
Hi.
Hey, Zach. Okay. Hi, tita.
Hi, nice to see you, Iho.
Nice to see you.
How's the gym?
The gym's doing good. Dami namin bagong clients, di ba? In fact, kaya nga ako nandito ngayon kasi ibibigay ko sa ito. Your dividend for being an investor at the gym. Alright, ha? Thanks. Ay, pandagdag ka na sa kasal niyo ni Amelie.
As if naman si Luke ang gagastos. Nakausap ko na yung mom ni Luke at siya na raw sasagot sa lahat. Basta dapat bongga daw ang kasal.
So exciting.
Actually, Ma, I was thinking, we want something a bit smaller, more intimate, maybe Bali or Phuket with friends and family.
Hindi ka ba nakikinig, Amelie? The wedding has to be big. Excited na yung mga bisita ko.
Amelie, tama si tita. Dapat makita ng maraming tao yung wedding nyo. It's not like you're ashamed of Luke, di ba?
Basta live, ha? You have to be there. You're my maid of honor. Okay, see you soon. Bye.
Anak, Do you really have to invite that woman to your wedding?
Ma, she's family. She's my sister.
Half-sister. A child out of wedlock. Actually a stain in our reputation.
Ma, it's not such a big deal that I have a half-sister. Tsaka hindi na 70s ngayon. Na-issue magkaroon ng legitimate child.
Don't you give me that woke, progressive lecture. Kapag kinasal ka na, maintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko. And once you carry his last name, bit-bit mo lahat ng baggage niya.
Then if you didn't want someone na may anak, bakit mo pinakasalan si Papa?
Well, because my love for him is bigger than his past.
Hey, nag-usap na kayo ni Nev.
What did you do this time? Ano? Nag-cheat ka kay Liv? Zach, may sinasabi si Liv na isang babaeng pinagsasilosan niya. So what now, Zach? Look at me.
There's nothing going on between me and that woman. Ano ba problema niyo? Pareho kayo eh. Get it.
Look! Tayo naman mag-spar. Ano ka na-advance dyan? Time for you to level up. Do it. Okay, bro. Okay.
Sige, ako muna dito sa baba. Para may advantage ka naman, bro. Okay. So, you're getting strong, Luke!
Look! Hoy, Zach! Can't you see he's stepping out? Tama na! Look!
Oh, bakit?
Hindi mo ba nakikita nagtatap out na siya kanina ba?
Naglalaro lang kami ah. Bakit? Gano'n kami.
Alam mo, kung may
Gano'n kami
away
mag-away.
kayo, huwag mo ibuo sa fiancé ko, Zach!
Okay. Gano'n naman kami. It's the big deal. God,
Shut up, Zach!
pakinig ka sa akin. Ayoko sa lahat. Yung pinagmamalakihan ako ng babae. It's not about! Ano? Sabi mo?
Shut up!
Okay lang. Oh, okay lang. Anong big deal? My God, next time bro, lalakasan mo yung top. Di ko kasi na-feel. I'm sorry, okay? My God, mga people, confetti!
Kakahiyan yung ginawa mo. There are people watching.
Look, I was just defending you.
Look like a weakling. Oh, that's nice.
Amelie? Oh, what do you think you're doing?
Ma, excuse me? I'm drawing.
On your skin? Ano ka, convict?
Ma, it's not permanent. And besides, tattoos aren't just for convicts. And also, it's real art.
Painting is art. Sculpture is art. That is trash. Linisin mo nga yan. Masira pa yung skin mo. Kung malapit na ang wedding day mo. Well, speaking of wedding day, may mga changes lang ako sa guest list. Anong oras ba pupunta si Luke?
I don't know, nag-away kami. Sobrang sad.
Well, call him, apologize now. You will never find a better man than Luke. Mabait, mayaman, at may magandang pangalan.
Well, no way. No way I'm gonna do that. No way na ako yung unang kakausap sa kanya.
Ewan ko, kung gusto mo ikaw kumausap sa kanya, no?
When?
What? When, ma?
When did you learn to talk back to your own mother? Gawin mo ang inuutos ko para hindi tayo magkaproblema.
Look, so what? You're not gonna see me anymore. Bakit mag-overtime ka na naman? But look, you told me you were gonna see me. So, mas priority mo na yung work kasi sa akin.
Hey, Amelia.
Opo, sir.
Yeah, okay. I need you now. No, that's so unfair. You're always like that. Mas gusto mong ilaan yung time mo dyan kasi sa akin. You're so unfair. You have to give me a specific time. I can't just wait here for nothing. Really? What now? Ewan sa'yo. Lagi ka nalang ganyan, no? Tapos, you know what? Whatever. Forget it. Wala na rin ako ganang makita yung pagmumukha mo. Di bale na lang.
Try niyo din po yung S'more Start namin. Specialty ko po ito.
Ang alat! Did you put salt in there?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Anong hindi? Yan, tikman mo. Oh, yan, tikman mo. Ah!
Aray.
Sabi, tikman mo. Sobra naman kayo.
Kahit customer kayo dito, wala kayong karapatang bastusin ako.
Masagot ka pa, ha? Bakit sino ka ba, ha? Isa ka lamang bobong server.
Chef ako dito.
Chef? A bobo chef! My God! Bobo!
Alright, Miss A, titingnan natin yung back mo.
I like this
15
one.
and a half.
Ball gown na may crystals.
Alright.
Jonas,
Uh,
I like this one. Pakita mo
Alright.
kay Amelie.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, this is nice.
This one. This one looks really good.
Yung ano na lang, yung kanina,
The ball gown with the crystals.
Alright, I think it's perfect, madam.
Siya nga yata to.
kahit customer kayo dito, wala kayong karapatang bastusin ako ng
Yes? May sasabihin ba kayo?
Kamukha po kasi ni Ma'am A nasa video mo.
Anong video?
Uy, ma'am! Sobra naman kayo. Kahit customer kayo dito, wala kayong karapatang bastusin ako ng ganito.
This is not her. Kahawig lang niya to. My daughter will never do something as cheap as this. You know what, guys? It's a wrap. Okay na kayo. Pwede na kayo umuwi. Sige na. Bilis mo.
Miss kayo.
You're such an embarrassment. Bakit mo ako pinapahiya? Ano yung ginawa mo? Sagot! Bakit mo ginawa yun? Anong katangahan mo na niyon? Bakit? 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 Ba't mo ginawa yun?
I was also having a bad day that time. Yung chef nilagyan ng asin yung kape ko. Pumitik ako, napitikan ko siya. Ang tanga-tanga!
Tanga? Napakaraming tanga sa mundo, Amelie. Your job is to make sure na hindi ka magpapa-apekto sa katangahan nila. Mabuti sana kung ikaw lang mapapahiya eh. Hindi mo ba naisip, paano ko? Ano sasabihin ng mga amiga ko? Ano sasabihin ng pamilya ni Luke?
Talaga? Ang iniintindi mo yung tingin ng ibang tao. Did you even ask kung kamusta ako? Kung okay lang ba ako? Kung ano nararamdaman ko?
Stop! Hindi ako masamang ina. Ikaw ang may video na nag-ieskandalo.
Sorry, I'm stupid.
Talaga, Amelie. That was so stupid.
I'm stupid to expect you to have a little bit of compassion. Pero wala. Yung reputasyon mo lang talaga yung iniintindi mo.
Nakwento na sa akin ng mama mo lahat. Kakausapin namin sa attorney. Titig namin kung anong pwedeng gawin paraan para hindi na kumalit yung video.
Wala na pa. Wala na napanood na ng lahat. I'm canceled.
Kahit i-cancel ka ng lahat, nandito pa rin ako. To love you, to protect you, and take care of you.
Mom, can we go out tonight, please?
Not tonight. Kailangan pa namin meet si attorney. Titignan namin kung anong pwedeng gawin doon sa issue. Anak, baka maapektuhan pa yung mami ni Luke. Tatakbo pa naman ng mayor, di ba? Promise, ayusin ko to, anak.
Are you stalking me?
Oo Stalking agad? Di ba pwedeng gusto lang kitang makausap?
Para ano? Para sirain pa yung buhay ko. Haven't you done enough damage? Dahil sa katangahan mo, people are canceling me now.
Ulit mo? Hindi nga ako yung sumira sa'yo.
Whatever!
Lumapit ako sa'yo dito kasi naaawa ako sa'yo.
Hindi ko kailangan ng awa mo.
Si Coach Zach. Siya yung nagkalat ng video mo. Nakita ko siya nun. Binibidyohan niya tayo habang nangyayari yung buong gulo. Siya lang yung tao dun habang nangyayari yung lahat.
Why would he do that?
Yun yung gusto kong tanungin sa'yo. May galit ba sa'yo si Coach para siraan ka niya ng ganito?
Eh, ikaw! Bakit mo to sinasabi sa akin ngayon?
Gusto ko sanang sabihin kay Liv. Pero,
Kilala mo yung kapatid ko?
Doon ako nakatira sa kanya. Nangungupahan ako sa kanya ngayon.
And how will I know if you're telling the truth? That you're not making up some stupid stories?
Anong makukuha ko kung pag-aawahin ko kayo ni Coach? Bahala ka kung ayaw mong maniwala. Pwede mo naman alamin na lang kung ano yung totoo eh.
You know what? I think today's the perfect day for you to propose your business deal to Zach.
Are you sure?
Yeah, trust me, Beshi. Come on, I'm rooting for you. Hey, man, hold on. Emma!
Ay! Ano?
Ay, magpakitawag yung boss mo.
Ano pong sabihin ko?
Huwag ka na magtanong, tawagin mo na lang. Dali.
Sige.
You can do it, Beshi. Kaya mo yan. I trust you. Go, Beshi.
Wait, Besh!
Coach, pinapatawag daw po kayong Ma'am A.
Pwede siya lumapit dito.
Hindi ko ho alam eh. Sabi lang ho, kailangan niya daw ho kayo.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
How are you, sir? Yes,
I'm good.
Na-enjoy mo ba yung workout mo dito so far?
Yeah.
Ilang years ka na member dito? If I may ask.
Going to.
Going 2 years na. Actually, napansin ko na first time mo dito. Sobrang laki na ng improvement mo eh. Tapos lumakas na rin yung cardio mo.
Oo.
Everyday ka nagka-cardio.
Yes, thank you.
Instead na, bumili ako ng bahas, ng lupa.
Uy, tikman! Sobra naman kayo!
Million.
15? Oh. Wala pa equipment yan.
Kausapin kita later, mabilis.
Alright. Okay.
Jerk! Ano to? Bakit may ganito akong video, Zach? I-delete ko to ngayon na this is a violation of my privacy! Zach, ano ba? Ano ba? I-delete ko to. I-delete ko ngayon.
Or else, anong gagawin mo?
Isusumbok kita. Isusumbok kita sa pulis.
Isusumbok mo ako.
Oo, isusumbok kita.
Fine, report me to the police!
Let them have a look. Iisip ko lang, ano kaya magiging reaksyon ng pamilya mo? Yan, fiancé mo. Pag nalaman nila to.
Zach! Zach, hindi ko pinayos.
Hindi!
Delete mo yan, Zach! Delete mo yan, Zach!
Tumawa ko ba? Stop.
Please. Zach, delete mo na lang, please. Please, Zach. Delete mo na yun. Please. No, please.
No!
Zach! He's not my friend. Boyfriend lang siya ng kapatid ko at business partner ng fiancé ko. Nothing more to it. He's not my friend. You know what? I have more important things to do than help you solve this stupid crime.
I really don't know what happened, Inspector. Pero kung merong mangnanadya ng sunog, dapat managot sila.
Why is that calling you?
No, he's just consulting a contract with me. He's just asking for my advice.
Yana, just be careful with him, okay?
I want my money back! Wala akong pakialam kung paano mo ako mababayaran. Wala akong pakialam kahit ibenta mo yung kidney mo.
Well, I'm happy that Yana's here with us now. Maalagaan natin siya. We need to protect her.
Asan yung pera ko? Puro naman yan, seryosohin mo na ako.